after a stressful 3 to 4 hour outing. We got everything. We also got some stuff yesterday, and I'm gonna show you guys this. So we got all this yesterday. We have 2 kinds of cake mix. This, I know people usually decorate their cakes pink, but whatever. We have these suck, but for decoration we're doing movies. I also bought this for one of my Galentines like 2 years ago. I need to wash this thoroughly, but it's really cute. I got it from Target. I have like a Pinterest, like I saw this on Pinterest where they put balloons to the wall. So we're gonna move like Anela's thing, do that. We got all this stuff, and because we haven't eaten since breakfast today, we got McDonald's fries. So this is like the decor stuff. We got the small tray. I thought it was pretty cute. This for the table. We're gonna put this on the board. This stuff for the board. You don't have to put it here. Oh. And we got fruit and stuff. We got pink cups because Valentine's, obviously. And Mariah's in charge of setting up the table. Okay, sorry for the bad lighting, but right now Mariah is picking up her room because we're gonna do like a sleepover. So this Galentine's is a sleepover, so we're going to sleep over in her room. So I have like an extra mattress from my old, it's an old mattress because the mattress is new, and we're gonna just put all this stuff in there and have this cute little heart blanket. I think it's so cute. What time is it? It's 5:14 and I need to hurry up. My hair usually takes a little bit, but it's not gonna take that long. And I told them that I'd do her hair for her, so I'm gonna do my hair, put on my outfit, and then do my makeup. We brought Andrea out of her shell. Normally she has like a cute little, oh, you did so good. Normally we have her out with a ponytail. Look, her she got that beautiful, oh my god. My favorite perfume from Target is a Mix Bar. This, I don't know if they have anymore because at my local Target I didn't see it. I put like a highlighter. I look kind of like a clown in here. So my hair, I kind of look like a mother, but it's okay. Lighting is so bad in here, but also because it's like food and stuff, we took it out because I have rambunctious pets, which I think I left in my room, but hey guys, so our table is gonna be an hour guesstimate, so we're here at have fun. So yeah, wait, should we Hello everyone, we are back. We are thriving. I'm like gonna be so saturated, but I re-put everything out. I'm proud of this, okay? No matter how ratchet it looks still so cute. And I'm gonna take some digital photos because I still don't have a charger for the digital camera my mom gave me from when I was a youngin'. Those cookies suck. Got them for the presentation. We have fruit, and then they cut them into hearts, pepperoni and cheese, crackers, And Hershey's, because why not? That's so fun. And then we're baking, guys. We're baking at 9 at night.
You know it's getting hard to tell if we're in heaven or in hell in this life.
That's what we're doing.
In this life, you know it's just so beautiful, the way that we don't even know where we are.
So good. These actually smell really good. Good morning, everyone. I look like crap, but it's okay. We're making breakfast right now, so this is my fit for the day. Water. We use this pancake mix. So I love Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's is holy grail. The spread of today. I had to put everything